Hello friend, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Joya and you are watching my channel Joy Tech. Today I will show you how we can restore our TikTok data. In my previous video, I tell you how you can download your TikTok data. The link of that video is in the description. If you don't see it yet, please go and watch it. And today we will restore our TikTok data. So let's start the topic. Open your TikTok account. Now tap at your profile. Just tap at three horizontal lines. Now tap at settings and privacy. Now again tap at privacy. Now select the option download your data. Just tap on it. Now appears on screen request your data. Your request may take a few days to process. After your file is ready, it will be available to download for up to 4 days. It will be expire if you request data again. After requesting your file, just tap at the download data. Appears on screen. Once your file is ready, it will be available to download in a zipped format up to 4 days. It will be expire if you request data again. After downloading, select the file to unzip and view it. Like this, you can easily download and restore your TikTok data. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, definitely subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. And I hope I will catch you in my next video. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.